Welcome back to video number 6. In this video, we're going to cover how to add parts and delete parts from your game. Go ahead and open up a template. I will pick the flat terrain here. So to add a part, we need to find the Part button. At the top of Roblox Studio, there are 5 tabs: Home, Model, Test, View, and Plugins. The left 2 tabs, Home and Model, have the Part button. It looks like a blue cube with a white arrow underneath. Here it is on the Home tab, and if we go to Model, here's the Part button under Model. If we just click on the Part button, it adds a part to our game. If you notice, the part appeared way out in the distance in this game. That's because when you add a part, the part is placed in the center of where you're looking. So let me change my view by right-clicking and pulling down, and I'll add the part again, and there it is, right in the center of my view. Right now, the Part button is a cube, and if you press it, it puts down a rectangular block. But what if you don't want a rectangular block? Go to the little white arrow below the Parts button, click it, and you're presented with 4 options. Block, which is the rectangle, a sphere, wedge, or cylinder. These are your basic options to choose from for part shapes. So I'm going to select the cylinder. I'll click it, and the cylinder appears in the game in the center of my view. Go ahead and add more parts to your game. I'm going to click a bunch. I'll pick more cylinders, pick some wedges here. I'll add a few of those. I will throw in, let's see, some spheres. Let's add a few spheres. Go ahead and add more parts to your game however you want, just to get familiar with it. Now let's talk about deleting a part. So say you put down a part that you didn't mean to. If you select it by left-clicking the part and hit the delete key, the part will disappear. Alternatively, you can select the part in the Explorer window, right-click on the part, and left-click on delete. And that's a second method to delete a part. Let's talk about undoing a change. So say you accidentally deleted a part. You can go up here to this arrow, which is the undo arrow. Click it, and it undoes your last change. So the part here reappears. Alternatively, you can press the shortcut key of Control-Z, and it does the same thing. Now you can easily add a variety of part types to your game and delete them if you're not satisfied with them. I hope you enjoyed this video. In our next video, we'll look at the Explorer window and naming and organizing our parts better. I'll see you then.